Okay, so to use Google Docs, you go to the sign-in screen here. You can use your Gmail login. I'll send you the link here directly, but you can Google it as well. So I'm going to sign in. And when you get to this screen here, your screen might look a little bit different because there's two looks, the classic look and I guess the new look. I'm on the classic look now, but basically you have this type of screen. I'm going to go to Create New. I'm going to create a new form. And on the form screen, you can put a title here. So I'll say test form. You can type in your question here. Some help text. You can have a text box or different types of boxes here. I'll just say text box. You can make it required. I'll add another question here. Question number 2. What is your favorite color? And you can make that a paragraph text, a little bit longer. Click done. You can click and reorder them. So you can change the order around. You can, I have a plain theme, but you can add some themes here. There's a bunch of themes you can add. Go back to editing. You can add items. There's another item there. You can delete the item. And then just save it. So you'll see in my list of files, when I go back to this tab here, my home, that there's my test form. So I'll go there and take a look at it. And there's the spreadsheet. And if I click on form and say go to live form, then I get a link here for the form, and I can just paste that link into CodeView or whatever you want to do. You can email it as well. Type in my name here, and then click submit, and then I'll just do another one. We'll go with green, and then I'll do one more. Submit. So all the students can submit their answers, and then on the back end, if you go back to test form, you're going to see all the responses, and then you can just hide this column if you like, so you can show the class or not, and you can save the file as a spreadsheet. To restart, so let's say you have a form with a series of questions and you want to restart for the next period, you could keep them and they would just appear below the last set of responses, or I figured out that you can just delete the rows. Actually, let's see, highlight the rows and just delete them, and then it'll restart there. You can also just, of course, copy the spreadsheet, and you have a copy for each period. I'll go back to the home. I have folders here where they call them collections. The weird thing about collections is that when you move a file into a collection, it still appears on this main screen, which is not really a move. I talked to Ken about this, the guy from Google, and he said that that's the way it works. So you can just do view details, or actually more options, and you can just see collections. So there's my physics collection with the different ones that I have, or I can view not in collections. No, I guess view all. View home. And you see them all. So there's actually my folder, actually, physics folder, and then I have some files there. This little folder thing, I think it's nice because you can organize your files. The other view, the new look, I haven't seen where you can do that, where you can just look at the folders. You actually see everything, and after a while you're going to see a ton of things. You can see what's in a folder, but I don't think you would see just the folders, if you know what I mean. So that's a quick intro to Google Docs and the forms.